Tell me all about this name that is difficult to say. It was given me the day I was born. Want to know about the stories of the empire of old. My eyes say more for me than what you dare to say. All I know of you is all the sides of war. A film by Coppola, the helicopters roar. One day I'll touch your soul. One day I'll finally know your soul. One day I'll come to you to say hello, to say hello.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are in a very real local home. Typical family home should be like this. I'm sure never ever have any tourist in Mui Ne can do like what you do now. They only walk along the way, look and very curious, never be inside. Show your respectation to the owner. Here they have many owner. Many, they are around you, trust me. Different generation living here, and we are worshipping them. So there are many generations who watching us, helping us, and also taking care of us. Every time you walk outside, they will bless you. So that's how we respect our honor home. So it's not only that honor, okay? This honor also. See there, look at that. So you can see. No, you see. Oh, sorry. You see, he holding cigarette. You see? If you are doing business, your home needs to have this. It brings luck. Every day they bring coffee, tea, and even a cigarette. They smoke and put it there for him. Even a home like this with the smell. This is our culture.
Tell me all about my color, my hair, and my little feet that have carried me every mile of the way. Want to see your house, your streets, show me